All right, guys, we are back with another one, and today we got a quick build. All right, show you here. We got the cables all commoned up, coming off the pole there. Yes, sir. All right, so got them in the trailer. 96, 72. Gonna get these stripped right quick, tossed in a 450B, and we're gonna do a little build tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and let's get into it. All right, so cables in the trailer. We have our ring cut mark made, 5 feet. That's what we're doing. That's what we want for loose tube. So right away, get a blade out, ring cutter, whatever you prefer to use, and we just get to ring cut. Quick pop. Ooh, dielectric. See if we can pull it all the way off. Sometimes you can. Sometimes you gotta slice it. Boom. Look at that. Expose your ripcord. That one's good. This one, armored. Yeah, armored. So we're just gonna get that ring cut in there. Work it all the way around. Boom. Pull that one off. Ripcord's exposed. Cut proof glove on. Grab a hold of that ripcord. Okay. Sometimes they don't like to go. You don't want to force them either. You just end up breaking them. So, what I like to do, take the snips out, get a little snip in there, make it easier for that to flow. Okay? Let's see if that gave her a go. This armored one, we're going to want to pull past the ring cut there. About an inch and a half, however you're feeling that day. Next cord. See, sometimes you don't got to start them. Just depends how the cord was feeling that day, I guess. Alright. There's that one. We can get this one. This one's a lot easier because it's not armored. So we're just going to come right to the ring cut there. You can do it before or after, however you're feeling. Just a light score, okay? You don't want to be getting in there. Put your blade away. See if that was enough. Yeah, should be. All right. Go ahead and pop this out. So, obviously careful with this metal sheeting. Cuts you so easy, this stuff. Like, honestly, anybody new, any of you techs, doesn't matter if you're new or not, should be wearing 2 gloves. I got 2 here, but you never see me wearing it. Just so used to not doing it. I'm used to the cuts. All right, it's fine. Clean that up. Clean that up. Oh, we're getting tangled. Get rid of these rip cords. Boom, boom. Cool. All right. Now that we have that done, go ahead and start cleaning up these ends. Get these moisture strings out of here. Out of the way. Oh, those are gone. I had too many coffees this morning. A little shaky. You never want to be shaky when you're building fiber. So just keep going, clean up all these ends. Nice and neat. Make sure you get them nice and neat. Off, that goes off. Bang. Straight to the trash. Alright. How's it looking there anyways? Less than 20% battery remaining. Never usually a good sign, but hey, let's continue on. I might have to turn the mic off for a bit so I can still record and charge the device up, but still be good quality. So, I'm gonna stubborn right here. Stubborn. You nick those. And one more to go. Gotcha. Sent you guys to the ground there. Let's get you refocused here. Wow, that was a good one. All right, got you guys on a better angle now. After that little dip we took there, let's get back into it. So next, I'll clean up these remaining little pieces here, like so. Back, snip them. All right, now we have that. We can do the helix. This is a big helix. Oh, this case is a little weird, huh? Okay, this one had a large helix. Didn't like it. Didn't like it. So what we're gonna do is expose that strength member, give it a snip. Okay, expose these moisture strings, snip them. Now, remove that out of there. Get this out of our way quick. Okay, that just needs tape. Do our other cable here. Helix. Start the closest one to the ring cut. Boom. Go to the next one. Very end. Alright. Come back down. Get rid of this string. Strength member. Snipper. Right? How much I leave? Just whatever that is. 6 inches, 7 inches, who knows? But you're gonna cut more off when you get it in the faucet. Alright, next step. I'm gonna we'll look at this. There's no a bond clamp because it's metal sheathing in there. Since these are not gel-filled cables, even if they are, but these are dry cables, so these tubes have the likelihood of damaging a lot easier and bending over a lot easier. So when you're installing these bond clamps and when you're taping up this end, you want to make it look clean, but you don't want to crank down the tape on it and get the mysterious losses. All right, so we'll do that. Add a little, grab on the cable clamp, hose clamp. Clean up this one right quick. Come down about an inch back. Since it's dielectric, I'm going to build up a little tape here for the hose clamp to sit on. Hose clamp, cable clamp, right? See, that's a little bit thicker, so we can grab onto it a bit more, you know, but not so much that it's going to damage cable, because if you just do it bare, this dielectric stuff, man, especially dry dielectric, look out for losses, all right? Preventative. You gotta know. Been there, done that. So these cables are stripped. Next move, collar. Now once the collar's on, perfect. Gonna be doing 2 cable entries. Both need strength member holders. So. Sorry about that. That's all we need. Next move, come down here, remove that, save it for later. Start popping these cable clamps in. Alright. There, where you going? Where you going, bud? Set that there for now. Alright. Open these up. Get your cable clamp ready. Slide these on. Come through, separate the ground. Strength member is going to be held at the bottom, so it's nice and clean. You know what? Right there. Right there. Like that. Slide it right up to the ground. Bond clamp ahead though. So that we're not cranking this down on that bond clamp, because that'll be another reason you get the mysterious loss. So those clamps are playing games today, man. Come on, man. Not too tight, but snug. Holds the cable in there firm. Get your strength member cut to length. Be careful of those strength members. They do tend to get violent like that. So. Alright. Next cable. Separate, separate, separate. Get that way. Alright. The main thing is like you get those tight enough that not so tight that it's going to start damaging the cable. And then you really crank down on these strength member holders. Those are like you're going to really keep this cable secure in here. Like obviously this hose clamp, they're on there tight enough and they're doing their job, but when it comes to these strength members, that runs down the center of the cable. So, oh wow, just turning in my hand. This tool is done. Alright, next up, grab that. Difficult today, really. Come to the top, push, push, open. Pop that one in, rotate it, slide it out, close it up. Lock it in. Come back, these B-Foss are pretty straightforward. I mean, literally an arrow on top, so. Get that slid in there. Okay. Go. Now we can install these. Perfect. Perfect. Then we'll crank it down, expand that gel pack so that it seals right up. Back in here, the old screwdriver trick. Alright, so we're going to slide this back, get these tubes opened up. I'll get you guys on a different angle. Alright, there we go guys. We got it all sealed up there. So with this one, we're probably only doing 2 tubes, I believe. So blue, orange are coming up to tray. We're gonna splice those. The rest we'll toss into the basket. That'll do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.